बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching दिल से बातें 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. Two friends and a bear. Full moral story. Once upon a time, two close friends were traveling through a dense forest. They promised each other to stay together no matter what happened. As they were walking, suddenly a huge bear appeared on their path. Both of them were frightened. One of the friends quickly climbed up a nearby tree to save himself without thinking about his companion. The other friend did not know how to climb, so he lay flat on the ground and held his breath, pretending to be dead. The bear came close to him, sniffed around his face and body, and finally went away, thinking the boy was dead, as bears usually do not touch dead bodies. When the danger was gone, the friend on the tree came down and asked with a smile, "What did the bear whisper in your ear?" The boy replied seriously, "The bear told me that a true friend never leaves his friend in times of danger." Moral: true friendship is tested in times of need.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.